Namaste to all the viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Outlier 73, and I am Namita, Chartered Accountant. Today's topic of discussion would be ROTTEP, that is remission of duties or taxes on export products, which is a replacement of MEIS, that is Merchandise Exports from India scheme. Primarily, let us try to understand as what is MEIS in a brief manner as it stands to be replaced from 1st January 2021. Well, MEIS, that is Merchandise Exports from India scheme, was a reward or incentive given to the exporter to promote manufacture and export of notified goods to notified market. Well, the rate of reward was somewhere between 2% or 3% or 5% of FOB value of the notified goods exported. Scripts can be freely transferable to others or sold. MEIS scheme used to issue the scripts, which was in a physical form, and it was freely transferable to others or sold. Well, very important point to be noted was no GST is applicable on sale or transfer of duty credit scripts. That is, one such script would be MEIS script. Since it is exempt, there will be no GST on purchase of these scripts as well, and no need to reverse the ITC. Government notifies the withdrawal of this MEIS benefit effective from 1st January 2021. As a replacement of MEIS, ROTTEP, which stands for Remission of Duties or Taxes on Export Products, a new scheme is applicable from 1st January 2021. Certain points which are worth noting regarding ROTTEP are: this benefit is not extended to all export items. This benefit is restricted to only 2000 products. Product-based percentage or the rate is yet to be notified, but unlikely to be higher than the MEIS rates. MEIS were issued in a form of a physical transferable scripts, while ROTTEP is issued in the form of transferable duty credit or electronic scripts. However, it will be maintained in an electronic ledger. ROTTEP envisages to reimburse the taxes and duties incurred by the exporters, which is otherwise not exempted or reimbursed by any other scheme right now. Some of these duties and taxes would be, just to mention them, it would be local taxes, coal cess, state taxes on the fuel like petrol, diesel, etc. used for transportation of export products, duty levied by the state on electricity used for manufacturing of these export goods, mandi taxes, toll tax on stamp duty on import or export documentation, etc. Well, thank you friends for watching this video. I kindly request you to subscribe to this channel if not already subscribed, and also request you to share this video among your friends and click on the like button to keep us motivated. Thank you.